What's up, you guys? It's Bianca and I'm back again. And this video will be my first video of my room decor series. I show you guys how I assemble things that I've ordered, how I DIY things for my room, and just overall decor for my room. So you guys, this is what I have here. I have the pole, the table, and then the stand. All they provide in the tool kit is a little wrench. I'm guessing there's more tools in one of these bags because it says that it comes with other things, but I don't see them. That is. Let's open them up. I will be tight if the other. Alright, you guys, so I do want to let you guys know that the tools that come on the sheet that it says you'll need is already assembled on there. I thought that they would come separately and I would put them on there, but all these tools are already assembled on the pole. As I'm opening the stand or the base of the table, I do notice that there is a scratch on it. However, I mean, I really didn't pay much attention to that, or, it wasn't really a big deal because once the table was put together and on the floor, girl, you ain't seen no scratch. But if that is a thing for you, then mine was scratched. That you need to assemble it with already come attached to the pole. So you're going to need to screw on all of them off so that you can use them later. So as you can see, I'm now pushing the base down onto the pole, and I'm pushing it down fairly hard because I want it to, connect. When you take the tools that are required for assembly off the pole, you will then notice a smaller pole come out. And the tools are basically holding it inside of the larger pole that we've already assembled. With that little pole now, you're going to screw it into the table because this is now how the table has its structure. The structure is provided from this pole, and then you put the bigger pole on top of it. So here I am now changing the position, and I'm taking the table off of my bed and onto this ottoman so I can now flip the pole and the base onto the structure. This part was definitely kind of hard because it is heavy. So once you're going to flip your table or flip the pole onto the table, get some help, girl. Okay, because I didn't have any. So if you feel you may need help, then have someone there to help you flip this over. Now, the tools that we have taken off of the pole, we're now going to put them back on to secure the structure onto the base, and this is basically how the table holds itself together. So just start screwing it down, and then you're going to use the wrench provided to tighten it. You have to tighten it or else it's going to be wobbly and it's gonna break up. Okay, so you have to tighten it as best as you can, and back to another hard part, flipping this whole thing back over again. Definitely heavy, but that's basically it, you guys. Time to set it up and put it in its new home. I'm gonna set the table up and I'll be right back, you guys. I'm tired. So this is now where I'll be doing my makeup. Usually my ring light is right there, but yes. So this is where I'll be doing my makeup, my little section. And yeah, it's cute, I like it. So I hope that you guys like this video, and stay tuned for more of my room decor series, because I have other things that I want to share with you guys and DIYs that I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's create a dialogue. Ask me questions. I'm here to answer them. Later, you guys.